Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. I got a lot of questions asking how do I do my hair in those ringlet curls. So I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to start off with my hair freshly washed. I blow dried it and I ran a flat iron through it just to kind of get it a little straight, not too straight. I think I used it on like a medium heat. I am also going to use some hairspray, and then I am going to be using a Baby Bliss curling wand. I will link it, that way you know like the size and everything, but this is what I'll be using with some hairspray, and it has like this heat protecting like glove that I'm also going to be using. If you want a little bit more volume, I would suggest probably not running a flat iron through your hair. That way you get a little bit more bounce. So just a FYI. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I am going to just section my hair off and do the bottom, just taking a couple of pieces. Not very like large pieces. Let me put my glove on.
Taking small sections, I'm going to wrap the hair around the wand away from my face. I'm going to keep it there for about 10 seconds, and then I'm just going to hold it in place, let it cool off while it's still in my hand, and then bring it down. It's a good idea to get one of these heat-resistant gloves because it really helps with holding the hair tight to the wand. That way you can get really, really close without burning yourself. But you're just going to continue to repeat the process all the way to the top of your head. And it's very, very, very simple. It does take a little bit of time, but it's super easy. Once I checked to make sure that I didn't miss any large pieces, I just ran my fingers through the curls to try and separate them a little bit, added some hairspray to keep it in place. And then I'm gonna use some wax to use on my edges to lay them edges. Once you've laid your edges, then just play with the style. You can wear it off to one side, half up, half down, or just down. It's super easy. It's a great, fun hairstyle to do. I love wearing this during the summer. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys.